Juice cleansing, it's a trend that's been around for a while, and it's hard to scroll through social media without seeing someone promoting a juice cleanse or claiming that it's changed their life. But what exactly is juice cleansing? In a nutshell, it's a type of detox diet where you consume only juice made from fruits, vegetables, and sometimes other ingredients like nuts and seeds, for a set period of time. The idea is that by giving your digestive system a break, you're allowing your body to flush out toxins and reset itself. Be sure and watch until the end as we refine the information further. There's this common belief out there that juice cleanses can detoxify your body, help with weight loss, and even cure certain health conditions. But the question is there any science to back up these claims? Some proponents of juice cleansing claim that it can help remove toxins and heavy metals from the body, but others argue that the body is perfectly capable of detoxifying itself without the need for a juice cleanse. Another claim is that juice cleanses can help with weight loss, but is it really sustainable, or is it just a quick fix? There are also those who claim that juice cleanses can help with digestional issues, give you more energy, and even improve your skin. But again, is there any scientific evidence to support these claims? It's hard not to get caught up in the hype when you see celebrities and influencers promoting juice cleanses left and right, but as someone who's always curious about the science behind these trends, I wanted to dig deeper. It's surprising how many people are willing to shell out hundreds of dollars for a juice cleanse without really understanding how it works or what the benefits are. I mean, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, right? So, what does the science say about juice cleanses? According to some studies, juice cleanses can be beneficial for certain health conditions, such as high blood pressure and hypertension. One study found that participants who did a juice cleanse for 3 days showed significant improvements in their blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. However, it's worth noting that these results are often short-term and may not be sustainable in the long term. Another study found that juice cleanses can help increase the consumption of fruits and vegetables, which is definitely a plus. But the problem is, when you're only consuming juice, you're missing out on other essential nutrients like protein, healthy fats, and fiber. And let's be real, most people aren't going to continue eating salads and kale smoothies for the rest of their lives after they finish their juice cleanse. Some experts argue that juice cleanses can do more harm than good, especially for people with certain health conditions, like diabetes or kidney disease. For example, consuming large amounts of sugar from fruit juice can be dangerous for people with diabetes, and the high potassium content in some juices can be problematic for people with kidney disease. One of the most significant insights I took away from my research is that juice cleanses are often more about marketing than actual health benefits. Let's face it, the juicing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and a lot of these companies are making a lot of money off of people's vulnerabilities and desire for a quick fix. From what I've learned, juice cleanses might not be the miracle solution that everyone makes them out to be. While they might have some short-term benefits, the risks and potential downsides just don't seem worth it for most people. It's all about finding a balanced diet that works for you in the long term, rather than relying on a quick fix or a fad diet. Let's refine this even more. 1. Emphasize the body's natural detox system. The body has a highly efficient, built-in detox system that works continuously to filter and remove harmful substances. The liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system work together to detoxify the body naturally, without the need for extreme diets like juice cleanses. Here's how they work. Liver. The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxification. It filters the blood, breaking down toxins and metabolizing them into substances that can be excreted by the kidneys or digestive tract. For example, it converts ammonia into urea, which is safely eliminated in urine. Kidneys. The kidneys filter out waste products from the blood, such as excess salts, urea, and toxins, and expel them through urine. They also maintain the body's fluid balance, making sure harmful substances are flushed out. Gut. The digestive system processes food, breaks down nutrients, and ensures waste and undigested materials are excreted through bowel movements. The gut lining is an important barrier against harmful bacteria and toxins. Lungs. The lungs play a role by removing volatile toxins like carbon dioxide when we exhale. Because these systems work continuously, juice cleanses are unnecessary for detoxifying the body. The claims that drinking juices can cleanse or reset the body don't account for the fact that these organs already perform these tasks. 2. Fiber and nutrient deficiency in juice cleanses. While juice cleanses may seem like a concentrated source of nutrients, they often lack key dietary components, particularly fiber. Fiber is critical for digestion, gut health, and maintaining steady energy levels. Here's why fiber matters and why juice-only diets fall short. Fiber and gut health. Fiber feeds beneficial bacteria in the gut, which aids digestion and supports a healthy microbiome. Without fiber, the body may struggle with constipation and other digestive issues. Sustained energy. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, providing steady energy rather than the spikes and crashes caused by sugar-heavy juices. Without fiber, juice cleanses can lead to quick bursts of energy followed by fatigue. Satiety. Fiber helps keep you full. People on juice cleanses often feel hungry or weak because the juices don't provide this fullness, and the lack of protein and fat exacerbates the feeling of deprivation. In addition to fiber, juice-only diets are often deficient in protein and healthy fats, which are essential for muscle maintenance, immune function, and brain health. For example, protein supports muscle recovery, and healthy fats are vital for brain function and hormone regulation. 3. Science-based alternatives to boost health. Rather than relying on juice cleanses, which are often unsustainable and imbalanced, consider healthier, evidence-based strategies for improving digestion, energy, and skin health. Incorporate whole fruits and vegetables. Instead of drinking your nutrients, aim to eat a variety of whole fruits and vegetables. They contain fiber, which helps with digestion, and provide a wide range of vitamins and minerals. For example, leafy greens like spinach are high in iron and fiber, while berries are packed with antioxidants that promote healthy skin. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining healthy skin and digestion. Hydration supports kidney function and helps keep your digestive system regular. Intermittent fasting, if involves alternating between eating and fasting periods. Research suggests it may improve digestion, help with weight management, and increase energy without the need for extreme dietary measures. It also gives the digestive system a natural break, much like what juice cleanses claim to do. Balanced diet. A sustainable, balanced diet with adequate protein, fats, and carbohydrates ensures long-term health benefits. For example, including sources of omega-3 fatty acids like salmon or flax seeds can improve skin and brain function. 4. Specific risks for vulnerable groups. While juice cleanses may appear harmless, they can be risky for certain groups, especially because of the imbalance of nutrients and high sugar content. Here's why. People with diabetes. Fruit juices are high in sugar and can lead to dangerous spikes in blood sugar levels, which is particularly risky for individuals with diabetes. For example, a glass of orange juice can contain as much sugar as several pieces of fruit, but without the fiber that helps regulate blood sugar. Individuals with kidney disease. Many fruit and vegetable juices are high in potassium, which can be harmful to people with kidney disease. The kidneys may struggle to filter out excess potassium, leading to hyperkalemia, which can affect heart function. Pregnant women. Pregnant women need a balanced intake of nutrients, particularly protein, calcium, and iron, which are often missing in juice cleanses. A lack of these nutrients can negatively impact both the mother and the developing baby. People with eating disorders. Juice cleanses can encourage restrictive eating patterns, which can trigger or worsen conditions like anorexia or bulimia. The focus on extreme dieting can be psychologically damaging, leading to unhealthy relationships with food. 5. References and scientific sources. Here are a few examples. Mayo Clinic. The Mayo Clinic has published articles discussing the lack of evidence supporting juice cleanses for detoxification and the risks of nutrient deficiencies. They emphasize that the body detoxifies naturally and that balanced eating is more sustainable for long-term health. National Institutes of Health. The NIH supports research showing that while short-term juice fasts may have some benefits, they aren't suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions. They also warn that long-term juicing can lead to muscle loss, weakened immunity, and other health issues. American Heart Association. The AHA encourages the consumption of whole fruits and vegetables over juice to maintain heart health and regulate blood sugar levels due to the fiber content. So, to summarize, while juice cleanses might have some benefits, the science just isn't there to support most of the claims made about them. It's always important to approach these trends with a critical eye and to do your research before jumping on the bandwagon. Thanks for watching Health Talk with Dr. Corbin and Dr. Willis of He Cares Training and Education Center, and we'd love to hear about your experiences with juice cleansing in the comments below. Have you tried a juice cleanse before? Did it work for you, or was it a total waste of money? Let us know. And if you're interested in more health trends, be sure to check out our video on benefits of intermittent fasting that will shock you.